You know what I love about makeup? There's literally no rules. Like, you don't have to do it the right way. If you want to use eyeliner as lip liner, go for it. If you want to use blush as eyeshadow, who's gonna stop you? Makeup should be fun, playful, and half the time the best looks come from just doing whatever feels good in the moment. Somewhere along the way, everyone just started to act like there's these rules for makeup that we have to follow or else. Like, no, makeup doesn't have rules. Wear red lipstick to the grocery store. Put on sparkles at 10 a.m. if you feel like it. Do what makes you feel good, because at the end of the day, it's your face, so have fun with it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Mwah!